If you don't control your mind, someone else will. Sometimes the things that break your heart end up fixing your vision. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to improve yourself. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be beloved for something you are not. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The high-minded man must care more for the truth than for what people think. If you shape your life according to nature, you will never be poor. If according to people's opinions, you will never be rich. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. To get great pleasure, you need to limit yourself. Freedom is secured not by the fulfilling of men's desires, but by the removal of desire. It is difficult to walk at one and the same time many paths of life. Where you are in a few months depends on what you do today. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Share with your loved ones and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.